Hello everybody. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2026 Montana High Country. This is going to be their 397 FB. Now the FB is going to stand for front bunks, and you'll see that as soon as we get in on the inside. But I want to check out the exterior before we head in on the inside. So you just saw your pass-through storage, your basement area. You have 2 slide outs on the campsite, as well as 2 awnings. Looking down at the tires, you can see that we have dual axle. And if we go up these solid steps here, we are going to check out your front bunks first. So we're going to take a hard right. You do have 4 sleeping areas up in here. So you have 2 up top, 2 on the bottom. You also are going to have a slide out in here that reveals a desk area, which is super sick. TV is going to be there. You have storage underneath the bunks, but also to the left of the bunks, you're going to have washer and dryer prep. The really cool part about this bunk room is very unique. You have a full bath right off of it, which is super nice. You have your sink, your vanity. You have your radius shower with your skylight up top. And then behind the door here, you're going to find your first of 2 porcelain toilets. If we make our way towards the middle of this vestibule, we're going to check out your kitchen and living room area. So as you can see, you have a gorgeous kitchen island with a pop-up countertop on the front of it. You have a residential style fridge. Little place to put your coffee maker and air fryer with your pantry right next to it. This is a pretty good sized pantry with some extra storage up top. You're also going to find your single basin sink within that kitchen island. You have a 3-burner cooktop, oven, plenty of cabinetry, microwave, and then one of the things that I thought was pretty cool is that you have a pull-out spice rack. So, pretty nifty. I haven't seen that before. As far as your entertainment center is going to go, you have your smart TV, storage up top, sound system in the middle, and then your fireplace down below. Across from your kitchen, you're going to find your couch. Now, this is a big couch. All of them are going to recline. You do have the 3 center pull down to reveal cup holders in the middle, which is kind of cool. And you are surrounded by windows in this area as well. Now, as far as your main bedroom is going to go, it's going to be towards the rear. You're going to have your own slide out in here with a king-size bed. Shelves on either side, windows on either side, and then across from that, you're going to have plenty of storage and a place to put a TV. Now we have a rear bath right off of it. You have dual vanity up in here, plenty of cabinetry and countertops, nice window, and then there's going to be your second porcelain toilet. But your shower is really the star of the show. It's a really great looking shower with a skylight up above and those glass shower doors. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2026 Montana High Country 397 FB. Thank you so much. Have a great day. 2 up top, 2 on the bottom. You also are going to have a slide out in here that reveals a desk area, which is super sick.